When working with long documents in Microsoft Word, how can you quickly navigate to a specific page or other key location? In Word, there are a number of ways to move around a document, including the keyboard shortcut Control-End to move to the end, and Control-Home to move to the beginning. We can also use the navigation pane. Look for our video on working with the navigation pane in Word to learn more. Although the keyboard shortcuts can be really handy, to go to a specific location, try Go To. Choose any of these options to open the Go To dialog box. One option, press the F5 function key, and here's the Go To dialog box. I'll close out of this so we can try another keyboard shortcut, and that is Control-G. And here's another option. Simply click on any of the displayed options here in the status bar. I'll simply click on Page, and here's the Go To dialog box. Next, specify where you want to go to. So by default, our option is a page number. I'll try 6, and I can hit Enter or click on Go To. So now I'm at the top of page 6. How about 12? And Enter. Another trick is to put in a minus or negative number to move relative to the current location. And so here I'll put in a -4, and that goes back 4 pages. This also applies to other items that you can search for. Let's close for a moment. A variation of Go To is Go Back. Simply press Shift F5 to go back to the last 3 editing positions. This shortcut will even move to other open documents if that was one of your most recent editing positions. Let's try Go To one more time. Notice on the left-hand side here that we can not only move to specific pages, but also to other portions of our document. So it might be a section, a line, a bookmark. Let's say I want to move to a graphic. Just type in 2, Go To. Here's a second graphic in my document. I can move to the 4th one and close. So once again, we have a lot of flexibility in terms of how we use Go To and where we want to go in our documents. Try these Go To options to save time navigating in your long Word documents. For a handout of other navigation shortcuts in Microsoft Word, or to sign up for my tips newsletter, visit thesoftwarepro.com/word. If this training was helpful, please like this video and subscribe to this channel. This is Dawn Bjork, the Software Pro. Thanks for watching.